So putting it back together, I didn't notice this at first, but this bolt right here and the one on the other side are slightly larger than one. And this is a tight fit in here. So I'm quite sure the smaller one goes in there. I don't know if you can see that. If I put it up like this. Yeah, that one right there. So it's slightly smaller head, which makes it easier to put in there. So that's a little observation. I had to cut the top of this little grommet here to fit the wire in. I've done that before when I put together before. So I've been WD-40 and stuff just to give it a little extra care. Put some on the rubber intake intake rubber there, just to keep things a little bit more pliable, hopefully. And put some WD-40 on this, so this is working really good. So we'll get this on, and then hopefully we should have spark, and then we'll have to I guess get the cover on, and then we can test it.